Here we are, Auntie sleepover, the indoor-outdoor camp. Who turned the light back on? Camp out, the camping, complete with the tent and an air mattress. My beautiful niece Shakira and my mini-me niece Dakota. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Let's go on the tent.
And of course yours truly, complete. And the Betty Boop full 1Z.
That's your lips. You're showing your lips on your video.
Was it big?
Your face.
Was it? Just wanted to wish everyone Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas.
It's not your face, too.
To
This is your chin.
It's my chin. It's not my face.
Huh.
I don't know. I don't know how to self-put. I guess
Ready?
I could swatch it around. All right, let's see. Auntie's gonna attempt to get inside the tent. Oh boy, this is fun. Oh, move over, bacon. Here comes sizzling.
You can fit. You can fit.
Uh-oh, here comes Thomas. They're jumping. Look at Chicken. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
We're having fun at the camping, in the tent, in the camp out. Say goodbye.
They don't want to say goodbye.